how's it going, you guys? Welcome back to another most amazing top 10 video. I'm your host for today, Landon Dowlatsingh, and today we have a brand new series for you guys. So this is the top 10 scariest facts that will freak you out. Let me know in the comment section below what facts I should do in the part 2 of this series, and also leave your questions for me in the comment section below, because at the end of this video I'm going to be replying to your comments. And every video from now on we're going to be interacting with you guys. Okay, so let's get right into this. Starting off this list, in at number 10, like we always do, we have almost every single year dating back from 1856, an aircraft or flight has gone missing. The most recent missing aircraft went missing last June. So along with the aircraft, two people went missing as well. So this took place in central BC. This is in Canada. The year before that, 29 people went missing on an Air Force flight that was en route from Tabriz, India to Port Blair, India. The plane went missing over the Bay of Bengal. The search for the aircraft and the missing people became India's biggest search and rescue in history. What's freaky is that means that one plane this year is almost certainly going to disappear. The question is, what plane and when is it going to happen? And also, how many people are going to be on it? And listen to this, over the last 70 years, 90 commercial airlines have disappeared. Moving into number 9, it's time to freak out a little bit because mites are living in our eyelashes. That's a fact. 65 species are known to have Demodex mites living on our hair follicles. Humans are one of those species that have these Demodex mites, and in fact, we have two different types of them. Demodex folliculum, and we have the Demodex brevis. These are frequently referred to as eyelash mites, and most people, we don't have any symptoms, but there are other people that can swell up from it. Okay, so here's something else that will freak you out in number 8. First, listen to this. Okay, so what you just heard was a recording back in 1977. It was a radio signal that was received from deep space. The noise lasted for about 72 seconds. So back about 40 years ago, someone from outer space tried to contact us. This signal was recorded at the Big Air Radio Telescope of the Ohio State University. Right now, the signal is being called the WOW signal, and scientists and experts have been trying to understand what this recording means. Are we being invaded? This signal has been used many times to help support that there is extraterrestrial intelligence in outer space. I mean, is this real life right now? Do you guys believe in that there's something out there? Are there aliens? Okay, it's time for human teeth that was found on a fish, and this comes into number 7. This is insane. Imagine going fishing and you just caught this. This could be the creepiest thing ever. I would just snap the line and just let the fish go. There's no way I'm eating that. Why does this fish even have human teeth? How is this fish keeping their teeth so clean? I mean, their teeth is probably whiter than mine, and I'm a little bit freaked out right now, so let's move on. Unable to move, in at number 6. Have you guys ever heard of sleep paralysis? This phenomenon happens to millions of people. Sleep paralysis is when you're awake, but you can't move your body. This happens after you sleep. Most people just wake up. Well, for some people, their minds would wake up, but their bodies, it's unable to move. I feel like sometimes I've felt this experience, and it's really weird. It lasts for seconds. You wake up in the morning, and your body is really heavy, and you just can't move it. Some situations are more severe, where it takes people a very long time to gain the movement back, and it's very scary, and you're aware of everything around you. Okay, number 5. Well, here's a fact for all you lefties out there, and you know what, including myself. I have to say, I really don't believe in this fact, but there are studies done. Left-handed people die about 9 years younger than right-handed people. I think this is a myth, but there was a research done on this that started in the late 80s to early 90s. Did you guys know that only 10% of people are left-handed? It means I'm unique. I'm special. So let me quickly list a few things why left-handed people might die earlier. Most things are not meant for lefties, which could be very dangerous. There was a study that showed left-handed people get into more accidents. Left-handed people are most likely to go insane. And alright, I don't want to get depressed right now because I'm in the minority and I'm gonna die sooner than you guys are, you righties out there. So let's move on to number 4. Okay, so we can all agree that doctors saves lives, right? Well, what if I told you your doctor could actually be the reason why you got very sick or even died? This is because doctors are known to have a very sloppy handwriting. I don't know why it is, but they're just they're terrible at writing. And this is just fact. Well, sloppy handwriting has contributed to more than 7,000 deaths a year. Take a look at this note. What does this even say? A lot of times the wrong medicine or dosage is given just because they can't read what the doctor is saying. Since we're talking about death, Let's continue in at number 3. This might scare you guys a bit, but did you guys know that 93.5% of humans have died? This is almost the entire human race. Since the beginning of time, 108 billion people have died, and alive today is only 7 billion people. Over 55 million people die every single year. This is an extremely high number. I think that death is one of the most scariest things in life, and all of these facts about it just freaks me out. Well, I'm about to get more freaked out with these last 2 facts. In at number 2, experts believe Earth is long overdue for a massive asteroid or a massive object that's going to destroy Earth. Back in 2013, there was actually a massive meteor that hit Russia, and it was actually captured on camera. Here it is. The last massive asteroid that hit Earth was back 65 million years ago when a 15-kilometer wide asteroid slammed into Mexico, starting a chain of events that led to the extinction of dinosaurs. An asteroid of that size hitting Earth is rare, but it happens every 50 or 60 million years. So right now we're about 5 to 15 million years overdue. I really don't think it's gonna happen in our lifetime anytime soon, but it's scary to think about. So finally, in at number 1, if a massive comet doesn't take out the Earth, well, it's going to be the sun. The Earth is about 4.5 billion years old. Every billion years, the sun's brightness increases by about 10%. This is because the sun is burning through hydrogen, which is insane to think about, that we have a giant star in the sky that is just constantly on fire. Well, if the sun increased by 10%, this will make Earth uninhabitable, which means Stephen Hawking's last message to us would be correct. We need to find another planet to live on because Earth is going to be destroyed. We're not going to be able to sustain ourselves on here. Again, this is something that is just out of our control. Alright, so we've made it to the end of this video, and it is time to go over your guys' comments. So we have a comment from RVK Ado. I like your videos, but hate when Landon sits down. Is that really a problem? Are you guys hating me sitting down? It's just I have so many videos to film, and I could film more sitting down. Alright, next comment comes from Flash0225. I always watch you. Hopefully you're just watching my YouTube videos and not like me in real life, because that would be Ariana Grande Singer. Is this real life right now? Landon Dowlatsingh. A lot of you guys can't spell my last name. Just put do not sing, but it's a D-O-W, and I don't know if this is real life right now. Giovanni Corona Rodriguez says, what if the Zodiac Killer isn't just one person? I guess this is from the top 10 people who could be the Zodiac Killer, and you know what? I never thought of that. What if it was more than one person? What if it was a group of people? Next comment comes from, I'm not sure what the username is, but there is Blueberry Twin in there, which is pretty cool. Stand up, lazy. Is this really like a lot of the comments in the comment section below? I've been trying to read you a lot of your guys' comments, and it seems like you guys want me to stand up. It's not because I'm lazy. Okay, it might be a little bit because I'm lazy, but it's because I've had back surgery, and standing up for a long period of time, it's very difficult, and I'm lazy. The New Gamer 1, road to 4 million, guys. That is insane. We are on the road to 4 mil. BBC, hey, it's my birthday. Happy birthday, buddy. Although it's your birthday's long gone. Happy belated. Let me know when your birthdays are in the comment section below. I'll give you guys shout outs. Sparkle Savage, hashtag early squad. This is a very popular comment I've seen in every video. A lot of you guys are putting hashtag early squad. Thank you guys so much. And the next most popular comment is hashtag first. You usually see like 20 of them. I don't know how all of you guys can be first. Alright, next comment is from Johnny Boy Animates. Insert unoriginal comment that will get a lot of likes here. And you're right, buddy. You got 27 thumbs up for like a no comment. Next one is Ali_Nizar_45. First dislike. Oh man. And then 5 people thumbs that up. So I think I got 6 dislikes on that video. Next comment is Aim and the King. Number 1 should be number 10. Huh? Next up we got Nikita Zakin. Once again, Landon doesn't know how to spell stupid. It's not spelled with 3 or 4 O's. It's only with 1 U. No. Stupid is spelled S-T-O-O-O-O-P-I-D. That is the correct spelling of stupid. Mystic Zodiac. Tired of standing, huh? Like every comment is about me standing. Alright, I'll stand up, guys. This is what it's gonna look like, alright? Next comment is Shelby Mason. Landon, I'm listening. I'm not watching this intro. You sounded drunk as a skunk. What the heck is this comment?